Hello, it's me again, Snuffle Nose. I got a straight St. Peter's pipe this time. Very nice looking pipe, you know. Straight St. Peter's pipe, nice bowl. Look at all the carving on the clovers on it. Nice sandy, nice green. And it goes very nicely as well. You can use a straight pipe or bent pipe, suits me. I got a second one because I liked it. So this is the work pipe, take it to work. And the bent one's for relaxing with. I still get some bubbles. Yeah, bubbles. There's one bubble. Yeah, so these very well made pipe from Dublin, I think. From Dublin, if I'm right. Peterson's. Good beginning pipe for a beginner like myself. Nice deep bowl. See? Nice and deep. Yuck. Came out the fluid. Besides that, that's not great. It will help if you want to clean your pipe to have a pipe cleaner, which is one of these creatures. Pipe cleaner. You like your bowl scraper. You got a poker. You poke through your tobacco if it gets too stiff and blocking out your smoke. But fortunately, I use bubbles. But sometimes they do get flagged up, so you never know. I'm surprised how flagged up they can get all of a sudden. Believe it or not. Yeah. Refill time. Anyway, besides that, this is a good pipe. Most of the fluid went on the table. Very nice pipe. Very nice pipe. Nice bowl. Very small bowl. Good for little hands. Once again. But they're very good quality pipe for a reasonable price. Okay, enjoy your smokes, people, on your pipe. Cheers.